Yep, that's right. We're going to scrapyard. Here's our load. Got a lot on there. I'm already tired. As you can see, it's kind of cloudy. There's threat of rain, but we're going anyway. So let's get her all buckled up and get on our way.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Thought y'all would like to see this. Haven't seen it for a while. It's a muddy, muddy mess. There was somebody parked where we need to be, so we're going around just to kill some time. Hopefully he'll be gone so I can back in there, because I couldn't really get in next to him very easy. So, oh boy, that's a big piece of metal sticking up right on your side.
Sticking up?
Yeah, there was a big piece of metal sticking up. We got great Nana shenanigans with us. Oh boy. I'm gonna get a pop tire, I just know it. Unless he gets it all. There's one more right there.
You go for it?
Yeah, he's not going for it. Well, that's pretty cool, y'all. Watching the magnet work.
They can hear it too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, is he gonna let me through? Yeah. I want to stay away from that railroad spike. I barely missed it. barely missed that railroad spike. That would not have been cool.
For your tire, you mean?
Yeah. Yeah, we'd have had to have them use their big heavy machinery to lift the trailer up and put a new tire on.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You have a spare tire?
I have a spare tire, but I don't have a good jack.
Oh.
I need to get one kind of like what Papa has. Hopefully that guy will be gone now.
You remember whereabouts he was?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna turn left right up here. I'm hoping we don't get a flat tire because of this. Yeah, there's a couple buses up there.
He's there, isn't he? Or isn't it the same one?
No, that's a different guy. Is this guy here? He's still there. There she is, the queen of the show. The one you come to see all the time. All right, let's go get this stuff unloaded. It was starting to rain. Look at all these metal things down here. I was having trouble getting backed up onto it. All right, we're gonna put you there. Turn you back on when I get things untied. What are y'all doing on the ground? I have to be more careful about that. Well. Trying to keep you upright here. All right. most of this ain't gonna be usable, is it? Darn it. Oh well, we'll use what we can. All right, y'all. I don't know how much of that you're gonna get to see, but I got soaking wet. I don't think I've ever done that at the scrapyard before. Something new. Okay, let's go get paid. All right, y'all. There's your mini again. Here we go. See if we can get it so we can see this. We went in at $75.80, came out at $64.80 for 1,100 pounds. $66. There it is. There you go, Minnie. What you gonna do with your money? Oh, you're gonna buy better food. You don't think we feed you good enough, huh? Don't we feed you good enough? We don't. All right, y'all. Hope you're all having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.